Hi there, I'm George Lucas, Hollywood's most powerful Ewok. People often say to me, George, why'd you keep going back and tinkering with the original Star Wars films that we all love, just to make them fit in with the new crappy ones that we hate? And you know what I say to them? You're fired. So here's a clip from the original 1977 Star Wars from my brand new, recently improved Special Edition Director's Cut, Director's Edition Cut, Special Edition DVD.
I've been expecting you, Obi-Wan. We meet again at last. The circle is now complete. When we last met, I was but a learner. Now, I am the master.
Only a master of evil would say that Jar Jar Binks isn't a top bloke.
I've never slagged Jar Jar Binks off. I thought you were the one slagging him off. Jar Jar is my best mate. The world would certainly be a poorer place without good old Jar Jar.
Well, Darth, you might be the most evil being in the galaxy, but that's one thing we can agree on. Everyone loves Jar Jar.